Hello, this is the wise owl 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. Today, I want to talk to you about the chemical symbol of zinc, which is capital ZN. You know what I'm saying? For zinc, we have the word zinc here, capital Z-I-N-C, that's the element's name. And we got the chemical symbol of capital ZN. Many years ago, a lot of people I know had a hard time remembering that because they had to remember all the chemical symbols for a quiz or for a test. They were scared. You know, you're a beginner and you're scared when the teacher says it's time for a quiz or your teacher tells you it's time for a test. You get scared. So you try to memorize everything. If you're a beginner. I myself and all the students I know had a hard time looking for words to remember zinc. We use sentences like the zinc is clog. You'll get that for zinc. The zinc is clog for sink. The sink is clog. The zinc is clog. Call the plumber. It's the stuff like that. You know, when you begin in school and everything, you look for words and sentences. So we use zinc. People find it hard, and now these days, a couple of people I know come to me and say, looking for ZN words are very hard. The chemical symbol for zinc, they give you foreign words that you never heard before, and they take you to botany, they take you to tribes, they take you to other cultures and other countries, things you never heard of. I mean, you learn new things, but it takes a long time to find words. I tell them why not use the drop the vowel method? The drop the vowel method is what I use. What do you mean? They say, of course, I'm going to tell you. What do you mean? Well, you got the zinc, right? Which is ZN. So I dropped the vowel. Like, for example, now zinc has an atomic number of 30. We have to remember that, okay? Now, if we were to drop the vowel that is between the Z and the N in words, or first we have to look for other words. For example, the word citizen, C-I-T-I-Z-E-N. If we drop the E, we get capital Z and a small n, zinc. So we get citizen again. C-I-T-I, capital Z and a small n. Citizen, and atomic number 30. Okay? Let's use another example that we know about. How about the bank? CitiZn Bank. CitiZn Bank. Remember that? The CitiZn Bank? Okay. So we're going to rewrite it. C-I-T-I-Z, capital Z, and a small n. And we got bank. B-A-N-K. B-A-N-K. But if we're going to put this in the, look at this, all this up in the periodic table of elements, we got to rewrite everything because all these, the word citizen and the word bank have nothing but chemical symbols in it. So we have to change everything to the right format for the periodic table of elements. So we got capital C. We got for the C in citizen. We got the small I. We have to capitalize that. We got to take the small t and capitalize that and use the small I. We got to take this capital Z for zinc and a small n. Okay, for bank, capital B and a small a. Then we got capital N. We take the N here, the small n, and the lower n, and we get to capital N for nitrogen, and the K, a capital K, for potassium. That's how it has to be done. It has to be changed the right way. So this is how it will look. See it? This is how it will look when you break table of elements. And then you got the C for carbon, 53 for iodine. Titanium is 22, zinc is 30, B, capital B and the A is 56, atomic number, capital N for nitrogen is 7 atomic number, capital K for potassium is 19. Okay? All right? I'm going to write this down in the description box below, this part here, I guess. All right? Let's do some more examples of this, okay? That we're familiar with. How about senior citizen? S-E-N-I-O-R-C-I-T-I-Z-E-N. Senior can be shortened to capital S-R. Did you know that? Just like sir can be capitalized, can be abbreviated capital S-R. So can senior. So senior, S-E-N-I-O-R, can be shortened to capital S and a small r. Now capital S and a small r has atomic number of 38. If you go to the periodic table of elements to number 38, you'll see capital SR, and that's for strontium. Capital STRONTIUM. See what I'm doing here? Okay, that's the format I'm using. This is how you gotta do it for the periodic table of elements. You have to write it this way. And CitiZn, capital C, capital I, capital T, small I, capital Z, small n, and you got capital, and you got it again. I didn't rewrite the atomic number here, the atomic down here, the atomic number, because I have it up here. See here? I have it up here, the atomic number. So why write it down here? Okay, just go up there. I'll put it one time. I'm gonna write it one time in the description box below, so you can understand what I'm doing. See what I do with excuse me. You see what I did with senior citizen? I took the E, I dropped the E from Z in the N, in between. And right here, I shortened the abbreviated the word senior, which is capital SR, all right? So you got senior citizen. Easy. You don't have to look for words for zinc. Okay? Then I got other words. Other example I use. For example, you can use the word frozen. Okay? Look right here. I just dropped the E. And I got capital E, I got capital Z, and the N. And I put 30 at the bottom for zinc. We got capital FR, with an atomic number of 87, and that's for francium or francium. Capital FRANCIUM. And you got the word frozen. I have to look for any foreign words or go to computers and stuff like that. Then you got capital O, the chemical symbol for oxygen, which is atomic number of 8. Oxygen, of course, is spelled capital OXYGEN. And capital Z and a small n for the chemical symbol for zinc. Capital ZINC. See? Don't have to go to the computer or do anything. I got right there. How about Byzantine? Byzantine is, I took the A and I dropped it. Dropping the vowel. And I got capital B, capital Y, capital Z, small n, capital T, and the I had to capitalize that T, and a small I, and I got capital N and a small E. This is how it's written, okay? So I got 5 atomic number, B for boron, Y, 39 atomic number for yttrium, zinc, capital Z and small n, atomic number 30, capital T, I took the T here, and I capitalized it with a small I, 22 atomic number for titanium, capital N and a small E with atomic number of 10 for neon. Now neon is a noble gas. You go to the noble gas section or column or row, and you'll see number 10. You go to number 10 and you get the neon. It's noble gas. Now, here's how you spell it. Capital B is for boron, capital BORON. Capital Y is for yttrium, capital YTTRIUM. Capital Z and a small n is for zinc, capital ZINC. Capital T and a small I is a chemical symbol for titanium. Capital T, capital TITANIUM. Capital NE and small e, capital N and small e is for neon, which is a noble gas. Capital N, small e, ON. Okay, you got it, okay? Then we took the word brazen. The word brazen. See the word brazen? Capital BRAZEN, which we dropped the E, dropping the vowel. Okay? We got capital B, and we took the R here, the small R, and made it capital R. It was small a for vanadium. Capital B is for boron. Capital RA is for vanadium. Capital Z and N is zinc. Okay? 5 is for boron, B for boron. Capital RA is for radium, which is the 88 atomic number, and zinc. Capital Z and small n is 30. And here we go, boron. Capital BORN, capital BORN. Capital RA is the chemical symbol for radium. Capital RADIUM. Capital Z and the small n is for zinc. Capital ZINC. And we got Zen Buddhist, Zen meditation. Capital ZEN. Just drop the vowel, the E. And you got Zen. You got 30. Okay? Okay? My teacher is a Zen master. He's been doing it. He's been meditating with Zen for 30 years. There's a sentence. For 30, how's this? For 30 years, my Zen master has been meditating. You see? Right there's a sentence. For zinc, 30 years. Right there. All right? Easy. Common sense, no good. I mean, very good. You don't have to go to a computer and look up foreign words and definitions for it. All right. That's another method I have to use to look for the Zn, and I already did it. If you go to my Wise Owl 2, I use as an example, or other example, how to look for Zn, for zinc. But I want to rewrite it again, making another video like this one here. Okay, I want to rewrite some of this. I'll do the whole thing on the description box below. All right, just go there. I'll do the whole thing I just did here. Okay, so you can always have it with you. All right, this Wise Owl 2 coming at you from the sea where I live. Over and out. Bye bye.